Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, finally we have the phone that finally came in the mail. This is the Samsung Galaxy A02s. So as you can see, there it is, guys, in all its glory. Took a while, but here it is, finally for the unboxing. So as you can see, it's by Boost Mobile, best value in wireless. Activate on our expanded data network. So this will be using T-Mobile's network, guys. So pretty cool. This is a very budget device. So it says Samsung Galaxy A02s. This phone is pretty big screen, 6.5 inch HD plus display. It's a 13 megapixel, a 2 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel main camera, or in the back, or the main cameras. Sorry, the 5 megapixel front camera. So the front is only a 5, and the back it does look like it has 3 lenses since it does rock a 13, a 2, and a 2 main. This phone only does have 32 gigs of internal memory, which is not bad. For under $100, guys, you can't go bad, like I say, especially if you get this phone on sale. It does have a 1.8 gigahertz processor, so not the biggest, but hey, it is what it is. So, like I said, it's a budget device. Here on the side, you do get the Boost Mobile logo, and then it says like no contracts and stuff like that. In the back is where you will be able to get a little bit more of information on here. So same thing, says Samsung Galaxy A02s. Like I said, 6.5 inch HD plus display. This phone has a huge battery, guys. It's a 5,000 milliamp battery. Like I was saying earlier, it's a 13, a 2, and a 2 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixels on the front, 32 gigs of internal storage, only 2 gigs of RAM, which it's a little low, but like I said, you're not gonna do too many crazy things on this phone since it's a budget device. Android OS and 4G, so no 5G at all. So pretty easy. You'll pick a plan, you activate, and then you do your payment. So let's get into it, guys, and see how well it is. I'm actually pretty excited to take a look at this phone. And that was actually pretty easy to do, guys. Usually this glue right here is very, very hard to get, but let's go ahead and check it out. It's the first time opening it up. There we go. Wow. Check her out. Very cool. Sorry for the little indent. I don't know why. I guess in shipping the box got a little bent, but here it is, guys. Samsung Galaxy A02s. Pretty cool. There we go. There's the Samsung logo. There's the phone. And then it says big name on the side. And the rear doesn't say too much of anything, really, just Samsung Galaxy. Then the name of it. Packaging contains Samsung Galaxy. The phone, the wall, the USB adapter. So no headphones or a case or anything like that. So it's pretty cool. So let's get into it. Let's cut these and open her up. So let's go pop her. Woo! Wide open, man. Boom. Helps when we have a pocket knife, you know. So wow, the phone's already falling out of its little holder thing. But there it is, guys. As you can see, let's put it aside. Even the plastic right here is a little dent. I don't know, man. I don't know where they have this phone or where it came from, but man, the shipping was a little rough. Quick reference guide. So you do get a little quick reference guide, which is nice. Always good to have. You have your SIM extractor tool. It's pretty cool. And then, of course, you do get your charger, which is pretty nice to finally see. They're kind of going more towards the Type-C. So as you can see, there it is, guys. It's a Type-C instead of a micro. They could have easily went with a micro just because of the price of this phone. But they didn't. They went with a Type-C, which with a big 5,000 milliamp battery, you probably do want to have a big or a nice charger at least. Doesn't look like it's a fast charger at all. No lightning symbol, but it's a Samsung charging brick nevertheless. But let's take a look at the phone now, guys, how we have it. So here it is. Let's take off the plastic so you guys can get a better image of it. All right, wow. So here it is to my hand, guys. It's a real big phone, 6.5 inches. It's a big boy. Pretty cool. So you do get your front-facing camera in the front. There it is. You do have your volume up, volume down, and then your power button. So there's your power button, volume down, volume up. On the right, on the left, you have nothing. On the bottom, it's still nice to see you do get a 3.5mm headphone jack, your charging port, bottom firing speakers, as you can see right there. There we go. Pretty cool. On the rear, whoa, look at this design. It looks better thanks to this light right here, guys. So pretty cool. It has a design. So this is plastic. This is more of a textured. I don't know if it'll focus it, but pretty cool. It does have the Samsung logo on the bottom. And then, of course, you do have your three cameras. Remember, it's a 13, a 2, and a 2. And then you do have your flash there. So it's pretty cool. And then, of course, your front-facing camera and your earpiece right there. So overall, it's a nice-looking phone. So let's go ahead and power her up and boot her up and see what we get. Alright guys, so here it is. So finally she's booted up. Very nice. Like I said, it's a little hard kind of to hold just because how big this phone is, but pretty nice. So here it is. Let's see how it looks like. So standard kind of Samsung look. Does have a teardrop notch there. If you go to the right, there's nothing really there. Just Facebook and Amazon. I didn't put that there. It came with the phone. This is how it comes with the phone. I haven't done anything. Just booted up. If you swipe up, you do get to the rest of your apps. So as you can see here, some of the apps that comes preloaded. And that's about it so far. Looks like some stuff's still downloading, but let's go and check it out. As you can see, setup complete. So some stuff still kind of setting up here. So let's go to, so here's some stuff. So you do get your Wi-Fi, your volume, Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, flashlight, which I always like to do the test. Wow, it's pretty bright actually. Not gonna lie. Here in the room, at least it lit the room. It does have power mode, mobile data, which is nice. Mobile hotspot, blue light filter is always nice to have. Location, smart view. So if you want to share, which I like about Samsung, is if you want to cast to your TV, you can. Dolby Atmos. I think you need headphones for this. Yep. So you need headphones for it to actually work. Just because you don't get the surround sound. Nearby share, do not disturb. Focus mode, dark mode, and quick share. So pretty cool, guys. So far, let's go ahead and go to the settings and see how much storage we actually get. Okay, so 20 gigs available, which is not bad. 12 gigs of it is being used for, of course, the software and the operating system and everything. So as you can see there, it's 12 out of the 32, which is still not bad at all. Memory 1.1 gigs out of 2, so that's for RAM. Let's go ahead and check out the camera now. I always like to kind of check the camera to see how well it looks. So does have live focus, which is nice. Does have photos, videos, more. Does have where you can zoom in, guys. So as you can see, there it is. It zoomed in a little bit. Then zoom out. Bloop. So it's pretty. I would say it's pretty decent. Should I say? Sorry. The pictures do look a little grainy, at least from the viewfinder. I haven't taken any pictures, and now remember it is nighttime here at the house, so can't expect too much now, can we? Sorry, there's like a spider web. I was killing it. Does have the front-facing camera as well. So there you go. There, as you can see, it's pretty cool. Does have portrait mode and everything. Video. Let's look at video. So wow, video does look nice. Let's look at more real quick. And so you do have pro mode, panorama, and macro. So it's pretty decent, like I said. Overall, I think it's a decent phone. We'll gotta do some gaming reviews and maybe do some pictures, tests, and see how well it looks, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. Hopefully you like this. This is a nice little budget device. I do like how the back looks. So pretty cool. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe.